Hi guys, I'm now here in Hoyok-Hoyopan Cave, here in Kotmon, Kamalig, Albay. Now, this is one of the best tourist spots in Bicol. Now, how do you go to this place? You start either from Legazpi or Daraga, Albay. Today I started from Daraga. You have two options. You can ride two jeepney rides going to this place and trek a bit, and the other one is what? Hire a tricycle. The tricycle ride is good for 30 minutes. Now, once you're here, we're going to see one of the best caves in the Philippines. It's actually an ecotourism spot. Now, this is the main entrance. It has actually 4 entrances. The first one is the main entrance. The second one is what they call as the Sukatan ng mga sexy. The third one is the cemetery. And the fourth one is the one facing Mount Mayon. It has 3 floors. The second floor is the only one accessible to the public. The lowest floor, the first floor, it's very narrow and very low. That's the reason why it's not open to the public, and there is a water running through it, and my guide told me that there are snakes there. Then on the third floor, you're going to climb a bit, ascent. Then again, it's not open to the public because of snakes which are found there. Now, going inside, you can either bring a flashlight, just like what I did today, or rent the light for 300 pesos. The entrance fee, by the way, is only 20 pesos. Now, there are so many rock formations inside. You can see figures of Moises, Mama Mary, Wishing Hand, Jollibee Chicken Joy, Jollibee Wings, so many things, okay? You can see also various stalactites, stalagmites, and columns once you're inside. Now, it's 300 meters, okay? You're going to enjoy spelunking or caving. Now, they say that this cave was discovered as early as 17th BC, okay? But during 1970, a group of German geologists went here, excavated the place. They were able to find artifacts of bones, jars, dating from 100 years ago. Actually, there are still bones there when I went there. Now, the bones and the jars, the artifacts, are now in the Kamalig Museum. Okay, 1972, it was open to the public. During the time of Marcos, okay, they built a dancing floor inside. Because during that time, Marcos prohibited partying, and there is a time limit wherein you can go out, okay? So, I saw the dance floor inside. Again, if you love spelunking or caving, you have to visit this place. It's a magnificent place. It's an ecotourism spot. There are so many other caves here, like the Bat Cave and the other small cave, but this is the best cave. So again, Hoyok-Hoyopan Cave in Kotmon, Kamalig, Albay. It's more fun in the Philippines. It's more fun in Hoyok-Hoyopan Cave. Bye guys!